Namaste, my name is Dio and welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk a little about dreams. Okay, what dreams are. Now I'm going to use some examples to explain things, but you can use your own experience with what your dreams have been. Okay, but the pattern of everyone's dreams collectively have always been almost similar. Okay, so what happens when we sleep is that our soul comes out from the body and it travels. Okay, it travels to 4 different places. Okay, the first place is called parallel lives, not a life but lives. So this is our current life. We've got multiple parallel lives that are going on at the same time. Okay, depending on the decision and the choices that we've made in our lives, okay, we create multiple parallel lives. Okay, the best way to understand this is, now let's say you go to a theater to watch a film. Okay, there are 10 different screens playing 10 different films, all going to start at the same point and end at the same point. You choose a film which is screen 1. Okay, all the characters in the film, in all those 10 different films, are the same but playing different parts in it. Okay, so you've chosen screen 1. Your film and the other films have a start and an ending point. You go sit in the theater, you start watching your film. Somewhere in the middle you say, okay, I want to go see what's happening in screen 3. Okay, you get out from your theater, from your screen, you walk into the other screen 3. Everything's dark, people are watching a film. You don't have a ticket, so you can't go sit over there. Okay, the theater is full, so you stand in that little corner over there in that dark next to the stairways and you start watching the film. Now just because you're a new person, they're not going to start the film right from the beginning. Okay, the film is going to be midway from wherever you started. So you watch whatever's happening. There's a car chase happening, or there's a romance happening, or there's something sad happening or fun happening. You watch that and you see that, yeah, they're the same characters like my film but playing different part. And you come back to your screen later on and you start off with your scene. Okay, similarly you keep watching other screens. Time to time you get out, you go to screen 5, you go to screen 6. Now this is exactly what parallel life is. Okay, so in our current life, right from the time we are born, we are making decisions. Okay, we've got choices. Okay, you were a choice even before you were born, whether you want to have a boy or a girl. Your parents have discussed that and eventually it was a boy or a girl. So choices have always been there. So let's say right now you're in the middle of the road and you got to decide whether you go straight, you go left, you go right. Depending on that, let's say you decided you want to go straight and your journey starts. Okay, now just because you are going straight doesn't mean the left and the right journey is not happening at the same time. They all happening at the same time. Just like that movie that all started at the same time, they all happening at the same time. So this is why all our dreams will never have a beginning or an end, because when you jump to another life, of the parallel life in your sleep, and your soul travels to that, it just starts off very abruptly. There's no beginning or there's no end. You stayed away there into a car chase and you're watching everything and it's the same people and everything's different, but it seems the same, and then you come back and you're like, man, what was that? So in parallel lives, you come across, you have experiences where, let's say in your present life, you don't get along with somebody. But in a parallel life, you both are best friends. Because in this life, when you had a choice that, okay, do you want to be good friends or do you want to be enemies? You said, no, this person was rude to me. I don't want to take this forward as my friendship. Your life is going here. But this life where you could have made a choice where this person can be your friend and you forgive this person, is also moving at the same time. So when you jump over here, you see that, man, this person is a good friend of mine. Okay, this is why in this part of your life where people die, over here they're still alive. You still meet them over there. Okay, and you wonder that, God, why are these so many dead people coming in my life? Because in your parallel life, they all are alive in different forms. They're coming and meeting you over there. You going and meeting them over there, and then you come back. Okay, so this is parallel life, and there are multiple parallel lives. Can you imagine? There's so many choices that we have in our day-to-day life. So each choice we make, we're creating a parallel life. We're creating a parallel life. We're creating so many parallel lives that are going on. So the second one, this is first parallel life. The second one is where you sleep, your soul comes out and it goes to the future, sees what it has to see and comes back. Sometimes you're doing it consciously, depending on how experienced a spirit you are, and the other times you're doing it subconsciously. Okay, where sometimes you remember that you've seen something, and then after a few days or a few months that thing happens. Sometimes you just don't remember it. Okay, this is how a lot of prophecies are made. In the earlier times, higher spiritual beings over here on this planet would sleep with that intention of going and seeing the future, coming back and writing it. Okay, so all those images that you've seen of all these people who've made prophecies, where they're sitting behind a desk and writing it, the reality is they slept before that. Okay, just an artistic way of showing that, okay, sitting and making a prophecy. No, it all happens in their sleep. So that's the second place where we go. We go to the future, which is the same timeline. The third place is a parallel world. There are multiple parallel worlds. Now, a parallel world is a world just like ours. Okay, but let's say a rat over there is as big as a pig. It's not a pig, it's a rat. It's doing the same thing, going under holes and climbing up walls, but the size of that rat is like a pig. Okay, the sky is really low. You can probably touch the sky. It is the same sky, everything's the same, but it is really low. Okay, the humans are the same, everything is the same, but probably when they are walking, they're bouncing a little bit and walking. Okay, so the madness that you see over there is the reality of that world. Okay, similarly, if somebody from that world comes over here to see our world, which is so normal for us, will seem a madness to them. That God, they had such small dogs, they were like walking their dogs and bringing them back home. The sky is so high, I couldn't even touch the sky, it felt so weird. So those are parallel worlds that we dream. That's why sometimes we feel like, God, what was this dream? You know, I was on the beach and everything was the same, but the waves were like 100 feet high. Because you went to another world, it's almost the same world but a different world. So this is the third place that you go, which is a parallel world. Okay, the fourth place, depending on how experienced you are as a spirit, you travel to different realms. Okay, a different realm, a different dimension is nothing to what this world or the parallel world is. It's completely different, where the source of light is not even the sun. There's gold everywhere. There are different beings altogether who are probably half human and half reptile. They're half snakes, or they've got a lizard face and a human body, or they're aliens, or they're different world altogether, where you go travel to that realm and you come back. That's how they travel to our realm and they go back also. Okay, so your coming and your going back is for a higher purpose, where a lot of saints, even in this world of ours, have traveled to different realms, sometimes to help them out, sometimes to get some help from them, some information from them. So this is what basically dreams are. It's not something where you can rubbish it by saying there are childhood traumas that are being played and there's other multiple reasons that are there. There's a big reason behind it. Okay, you leave your soul for a purpose. So why do you go to parallel lives? Why do you go to parallel worlds? Why are you going to different realms is going to be another topic, another video that I'm going to make about this. But one thing that I will tell you is, the minute you wake up and the message you have is a message that you need to remember. There's something in it for you. Okay, where it could be related to your career, to your health, to your loved one, to a person or anything, but you will wake up with it. So always remember that that's a message that has been given to you, or you've gathered that message and you've come back. So for now, that is the most important thing. Okay, so before you sleep, make sure that you have that intention that, okay, now when I sleep, I am going to time travel. So when you're there in different realms and different worlds, if you manage to reach to different realms and different worlds, parallel life is where we are going all the time. Okay, so if you go beyond that, okay, you will start practicing to be in that awareness even in your dream. Okay, so yeah, when you sleep well, dream well, and if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel till I see you again. Have a good life. Namaste.